Alright, so here it is. We're going to be looking at check buttons. I was going to say check boxes, but check buttons, check boxes, same thing. Here we're going to go ahead and import tkinter message box, name a class called myGUI like usual. Define the init. We always put our main window, assign it to tk class. We get 2 frames, the top and bottom frame. And here we're going to add 3 variables. We're going to assign it to the int var class, which will be a holder for integer variables. And then we're going to set those variables of the int var class to 0. Here we're going to make variables for the check buttons, and to do that we do tkinter.checkButton like that, set it to the top frame, provide the text, and then the variable will be associated with these CB underscore var, the CB vars. Pack them, make an OK button, give the command to this following function, the text to set it to the bottom frame, pack them and then set it to the left, pack the top frame, pack the bottom frame, call the main loop. And here in the show choice, we got self.message equals a string right here. Then if self.underscore var1.get is equal to 1, so whatever the value is 1, what it's going to do is the message variable up there will be assigned to apparently itself plus the number 1 with a new line. And then it'll be assigned to this plus 2 of a new line, and so on. And then here the message box will have a heading called selection, and it will have this as the message within the dialog box. And here's the note saying that when a check button is selected, its associated int var object will hold the value 1. When it's not selected, its associated int var value will hold 0. Initially, it will be started at 0. Let's run it. So empty, it's all 0. Select this. You selected. Notice the new line. 1. And then there's 1 with a new line as well. So whatever you type in now would be like right there. Click OK. Now you selected 1 and 2. So 1 new lines and then 2 new lines. And then if we were to do 3, we'll take that new line right there. 3. Just out of curiosity, if you were to do something like this, would it be checked? It would be pre-checked. So 1 and 0 appears to be the key numbers for a check button. So yeah, that's basically the program. One question this program might throw at you is, and me really, is during this if statement here, why wouldn't it do, see how it says like you selected and then 1 and then you selected and it's 2? If I were to check the button like this, why is it not saying you selected 1, you selected 2? Why is it you selected and then 1 and 2? It appears, I don't know, this is just what I'm thinking, that this plus thing has something to do with it. Like it will always be you on the top and then 1, and then if we were to check this again, that you selected will still be on the same position for some reason, but then 2 will be seen. It's kind of, I don't know, that kind of just makes me uneasy on how that works. I'm not entirely sure why it works like that. I can kind of just see how it works like that. You selected 1 and then 2, and it's not saying you selected again. And just to add a little bit more confusion here, since we already got the main idea of the program, if we were to do something funny like this, it'll now throw in that you selected again, because we're pending it, and then it throws in an additional 1 and then 2. Weird. And then 1, 2, 3. Weird stuff, man. Yeah, kind of hard to explain that. All I know is if we want the program to run correctly, just do that. So yeah, there we go.